Good morning, children. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and studying well. Children, today we are going to start a new lesson from your literature, lesson 3, An Encounter in the Woods, which was written by E.T. Seton. So, before we start, let me give you a brief description of the writer, that is Ernest Thompson Seton is the writer of this story. So he was born in England and was a wildlife expert and used his experiences to write about wildlife or wild animals. This is one of the texts where the writer or the Seton tried to show how clever, kind and brave animals can be. So, some of his popular books are Animal Heroes and Woodland Tales. So, let's start the chapter. An Encounter in the Woods. Children, let us first try to understand the heading or the title of the story. So, here the meaning of encounter is suddenly meeting or meeting someone unexpectedly, right? And what is the meaning of woods? Woods means forest. Encounter means meeting someone suddenly, and woods means forest. So the title says sudden or unexpected meeting in the forest. Okay, now let us see this warm up. Animals protect themselves in different ways. So animals have certain powers to protect themselves from their enemies. They can protect themselves from the enemies. If you go closer or if you go through these pictures, what you will observe here? In picture 1, we can see a cat is hiding behind the bushes. Why? To protect itself from the enemy. Here in second picture you can see that animals are running. Why they are running? To protect themselves from the predators or their enemies. And in the last picture, how these two are defending themselves, right? So now let us focus on the story. In the given story, you will get to know how the mother Petridge saved her 12 baby birds from the cunning animal. So let's begin with the reading. Okay. Mother Petridge was taking her brood down a hill to a small stream. Her little ones were only a day old, but they could already walk quickly. Mother Petridge was taking them for the first time to have a drink at the stream. So, here, what is the meaning of Petridge? Petridge is a type of bird. So, Mother Petridge with her brood. What is the meaning of brood? Brood means a group of baby birds. So, these baby birds were only 1 day old. They were just born and they were only 1 day old. But they can walk quickly. So, Mother Petridge, where she was taking to her babies to the stream. Why? To have or to drink water. Right? Okay, let's read the next paragraph. She walked slowly, bending low as she went, for the woods were full of enemies. She was making a soft little cluck in her throat. It was a call to her babies. They looked like little balls of fur, toddling after the mother of toddling after their mother on their tiny pink legs. They peeped softly and sadly. If They were left even a few inches behind, and they looked really fragile. There were 12 of them, but Mother Petrich took care of them all. She watched every bush, every tree, the woods, and even the sky. She always looked for enemies, and soon she found one. So here, this Mother Petrich was walking very slowly, bending low as she moved because the forest was full of enemies. She was making a soft cluck. What is the meaning of cluck? Cluck means soft call for her babies. The babies were so small, so they looked like the balls of fur. So what is the meaning of fur? Fur means it's a type of fiber or cloth. So they were very soft and fluffy, and they had tiny means small pink legs. They were walking with their small pink legs. Okay, they peeped softly means chirping or birds cry. As they were very young, so they were chirping or they peeped softly. They looked so fragile. What is the meaning of fragile? Fragile means easily broken or something which is very delicate or sensitive. They were, and how many babies were there? There were 12 babies. And this Mother Petrich was taking care of all the babies. Right? Then what happened? She was so protective. This Mother Petrich was so protective. So she looked for enemies. But soon, what happened? She met with an enemy. Let us find out who was it. Okay, let's read the next paragraph. Away across the meadows was a great powerful fox. He was coming their way. In a few moments, he was sure to see or smell them. There was no time to lose. So suddenly, what Mother Petrich saw? There was a great and powerful fox who was coming on their way. So within a moment, he will reach to the babies or to the bird. So there was no time to lose or there was no time to waste. It means she was in great danger and she was very worried. Okay. Now let's read the next paragraph. Kurr, kurr, or hide, hide, cried Mother Petrich in a low, firm voice. At once, the little birds moved far apart to hide. One hid under a leaf, another between two roots, the third in a hole, and so on till all were hidden. But one baby could not find a cover, so he just sat low on a broad yellow chip. He lay very flat and closed his eyes very tight. They stopped their frightened chirping and all was quiet. Now what happened? Mother Petrich, in the low voice, what she instructed? She instructed all the babies to hide. So wherever these little babies got the safer place, they started to hide. So one hid under a leaf, another two under the roots, and the third in the hole. But one baby could not find any place to hide. So what hidden, he sat on a yellow chip. What is the meaning of chip? Chip is a small piece of wood or stone. So there he laid flat and closed his eyes tightly, as it was very scared or frightened. And all the babies stopped chirping and they all became quiet. Okay, let's read the next para. Mother Petrich flew straight towards the enemy. She came down bravely beside him. Then she threw herself on the ground. She moved as if she was lame, and she sounded as if she was hurt. Was she begging the fox to let her and babies go? Oh no! You may have heard that the fox is a clever animal. Wait and see how much cleverer a Mother Petrich can be. So, what happened next? Mother Petrich flew to the fox and came down bravely to the fox. And she fell down on the ground and was moving as if she is lame. What is the meaning of lame? Lame means one who cannot walk properly. And she was crying as she got hurt. But was she begging to the fox to leave her and her babies? No, she was not begging. As you know that fox is very cunning or clever animal, but in this story you will see how cleverer is the Mother Petrich can be or would be. Okay, now let's read the next paragraph. The fox was excited to find the bird so suddenly within his reach. He turned with a dash and caught. No, he did not catch the bird. The bird limped just out of his reach. The fox jumped again. Surely he would catch her this time. No, a small tree came between them, and the Petrich disappeared under a log. Now the fox was very happy or excited. Why? Because he found a bird within his reach, as he was in search of food. He was hungry. He moved quickly to catch this bird or the Mother Petrich. But what happened? He failed somehow. The bird managed to escape from there. He jumped again to catch the bird, but this time a small tree came between them, and that bird disappeared under a log. What is the meaning of disappear? Disappeared means get missing, and where it had gone? Under a log. Log means a piece of wood. So this Mother Petrich was hiding under a log or a piece of wood. Understood? Okay. Let's read the next paragraph. The fox was getting impatient. He snapped his jaws and leaped over the log. Mother Petrich was looking less lame now. She too jumped forward and fell down a bank. The fox followed her closely. He almost caught her tail, but no matter how fast he went and leaped, Mother Petrich was always faster. Now the fox got impatient. What is the meaning of impatient? Impatient means he was out of control. He was getting furious. He was getting angry. So in anger, he closed his mouth. Snapped means close his jaws as if in a bite, making a sound. He closed his mouth so tightly. And what he did? Jumped over the log where that little or Mother Partridge was hiding. Then what Mother Partridge did? The Mother Partridge came out from the log and fell down on a bank. So what is the meaning of bank here? Bank means side of a river. The fox was watching her closely and was almost to catch her, but Mother Partridge was faster than the fox, and this time also she protect herself from the fox.